industry integrated learning at Amity University Noida doesn't begin in your final year. It starts the moment you step on campus. Here, your education is shaped by the same leaders who shape India's industries. From R.D. Godrej and Sunil Bharti Mittal to Dr. K. Radhakrishnan and Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw. Amity's vision is guided by pioneers who built the nation's biggest enterprises. Across the campus, over 400 plus labs and research centers simulate real work environments. Whether it's the robotics lab, CAD/CAM lab, advanced manufacturing lab, or the automotive engineering lab, every space mirrors industry precision, tools, and expectations. Students collaborate on live consulting assignments, technology transfer projects, and innovation challenges, resulting in 30 plus technologies adopted by industry. By the time you graduate, you don't just understand the industry. You've worked in it, contributed to it, and prepared to lead it. Industry integrated learning, real projects, real leaders, real outcomes.